morning and welcome. Today we shall see Indian geography in UPSC syllabus as well as in Group 1 syllabus. We have to understand about Indian geography very clearly. Indian geography consists of physical geography, economic geography, and social geography. Today we shall see physical geography relating to the India's position in the world and also in India. In India covers total area of 32,87,260 square kilometers. That is the total area that India covers, covering all states. And what about in the world? In the world, India occupies 7th position, in the sense that India is the 7th largest country in respect of total area. That is here I have shown 1,269,219 square miles. What about other countries? As I have told, India is the 7th largest country. What are the first country? Russia is our first country, then Canada is the second country, America is the third country, Brazil is the fourth country, China is the fourth country, Brazil is the fifth country, sixth country is Australia, 7th one is India. In that way, these countries occupy first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth position. Russia, Canada, America, China, Brazil, and Australia. And 7th place goes to India. In that way, you have to understand. You have to know what is the India's position in respect of total area in the world today. India's position is 7th largest country, and you have to know also other 6 countries which occupy the first, second from first to the 6th position in respect of area. Then another important geographical thing you have to know is Tropic of Cancer. Now, Tropic of Cancer almost passes through the center of India, which divides Tropic of Cancer divides India into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Northern India and southern India. This Tropic of Cancer covers 8 states. That means it touches the 8 states. Tropic of Cancer touches the 8 states. What are the 8 states? Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram, 8 states: Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram. Through all these states, Tropic of Cancer touches. So that means Tropic of Cancer touches these all 8 states in India today. So you have to understand also, this is another important geographical theme or point as far as India is concerned. Now coming to the another important geographical point relating to India. So here I am telling you have to know about India very clearly, physically and geographically. So this is because this is very important. So here another important thing we are going to see is common boundaries with India. Here common boundaries with India means what? What are the neighboring countries? Which are the neighboring countries? Yeah, common boundaries with India. India shares common boundary with a number of neighboring countries. Let us see which are the countries which have common boundaries with India. Pakistan and Afghanistan sharing with northwestern side, India and Pakistan are located. On northwestern side, on northern side, China, Bhutan, Nepal are located. And far east, Myanmar is located. And on the east, Bangladesh is located. In that way, India shares common boundaries. Pakistan in the northwest, China, Bhutan, Nepal in the north, Myanmar in the far east, Bangladesh in the east. And Sri Lanka is also there. Sri Lanka is separated from India through a narrow channel of the sea formed by Gulf of Mannar and Pak Strait. So these are the common boundaries with India. These are the countries, neighboring countries, which have common boundaries with India. Of these neighboring countries, which neighbor state has the largest boundary? So there are various countries. Bangladesh is a country which has the largest boundary in India. Then come to China, Nepal. In that way, you have to understand very clearly which country, which neighboring country, which are the 3 neighboring countries which have largest boundaries with India. First Bangladesh, second China, third Nepal. In that way, you have to understand from the examination. So these are the common boundaries with India. Now, coming to the states and territories. So, we have seen how India is located, what are the neighboring countries which touches India on different sides, north from northwest, east, west, like that. Now let us see what are the states. How many states are there in India? So there are previously there are 29 states and 7 union territories. Previously, present, how many states are there? 20 states are there. Previously, 9 states are union territories are there. Today, 8 union territories are there. Why? Because recently, Jammu and Kashmir, which was previously part of the state, which was regarded as state, but it was removed. The statehood was removed. Statehood of Jammu and Kashmir was removed, and Jammu and Kashmir was divided into 2 union territories. One is Jammu and Kashmir, and the other one is Ladakh. So these 2 union territories are added to the 7. The computer comes to the 9 union territories. But I said, today there are 8 union territories, which is how previously Dayu and Daman and Nagar Haveli, these 2 are treated as a separate union territories. Recently, these 2 are merged. Dayu and Daman, Nagar Haveli are merged, and today these are treated as a 1 union territory. That's why today at present 8 union territories are there. Previously 9. Which are the newly added territories? Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. These are the newly formed union territories. And another one is Dayu and Daman, Dadra and Haveli are merged as 1 union territory. That's why today in India there are 28 states, 8 union territories, but not 9 union territories. You should remember. So these are the states and union territories in India today. Regarding states and union territories, you have to know where these states are located in India geographically, and where these union territories are located. You have to see Indian map. You have to know very clearly. You have to know geographically how all these states are located, how all these union territories are located geographically in India, because these are very important. In examination, you may get any question regarding the geographical position or states where they are located, and all these things you should know very clearly. India map. Now let's see, you have to know India map very clearly. As I already told, neighboring states on the map marked at the side, Pakistan and Afghanistan. And not to the side, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Mizoram. And the east, Bangladesh. And the far east, Myanmar. Sri Lanka is here. And also, there are oceans, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean. You have to know how each state is located, and you have to know what are the 28 states and 8 union territories where they are located, and their capacities should know. So India, you should know about India geographically, how many states are there, how many union territories are there, where they are located, and their capacities, All these things you should know very clearly. So you know, coming up all the states coming to, this is the topic of cancer. These are northern states, these are southern states, these are the western states, these are the eastern states. Like that you have to know very clearly. What are the northern states? What are the western states? What are the eastern, southern states? What are the eastern states? Like that. You have to know physically, geographically, very clearly, and their capacities without any confusion. So these are the states and union territories. You have to know very clearly. You go through the Indian map and you should possess the Indian map. You go through the Indian map and all states and union territories are located in India geographically. So thank you very much. Tomorrow we shall see you.